Hello everyone, welcome to our channel.
Hello.
So are you guys prepared for the big changes for Social Security? So this 2025, the full retirement age is going to increase again. So if you were born after 1960, this might impact you.
Yeah. But that's not all. The cost of living adjustments, they're starting to shrink, isn't it? And the maximum taxable earnings is going to increase from 168,000 to 176,000. Now, you're going to ask, how does that affect my retirement?
So relying on Social Security alone is not an option anymore. So if you're planning to retire at 62 instead of waiting for the full retirement, you will face significantly big deduction. So if you don't adjust your financial strategy, you could be hit hard by these changes.
But today, don't worry. We're going to break down exactly how this is going to affect your benefits.
And why having a solid retirement plan is very, very important.
The full retirement age has been slowly creeping up for decades. It used to be 65, but Congress changed that in the 80s to reflect longer life expectancies. But now, for those who are born after 1960, it's already at 67, which is in my case. If it goes up again, it's not hard to imagine what that might mean for your retirement plan. But now, if you're planning to claim early at 62, that could mean an even bigger cut to your monthly benefits. Yikes, right? But don't worry, we're here to help you navigate these potential change.
So what can we do to prepare? First, let's talk about budget. One thing that Haven and I learned is that retirement planning is not just savings. It's about prioritizing. Start by breaking down the expenses into 3 categories. Number 1 is must-haves. These are essentials like housing, utilities, and healthcare.
Number 2 are the wants. These are like your fun stuff like travel, your hobbies, like dining out, like what we like to do.
And third is contingency reserves. This is your safety net for unexpected expenses like home repairs or medical bills. By organizing your expenses, you're gonna know where to cut back when this comes up, like when Social Security changes that you're going to be receiving less than what you expected, diba?
Yes.
Sometimes it's scary, but you have to be realistic. You need to know how to adjust your budget. The goal is to stay flexible and be able to make adjustments, but then still enjoy your retirement.
That's right.
Right?
Yeah. At huwag niyo kalimutan, ang Social Security is not the only answer to your retirement. Dapat talaga meron kayong savings, yung mga 401,
IRA, or kahit na high yield savings, diba?
Right.
Ang importante, you have a financial cushion. So for anything that can happen like this.
Yeah, like, kumbaga in short, backup. Meron kang backup. That's the most important thing.
I know a lot of people will rely on Social Security.
Yeah, like totally relying on Social Security, hindi na pwede, no? By this time, hindi na pwede talaga.
So you have to be like really prepared.
Yeah, you have to be prepared.
You really have to have that para ma-enjoy mo yung retirement mo at your own terms. Kasi by the end of the day, who's gonna make your financial security?
Tayo rin.
Diba? Tayo rin.
Diba?
So that's why we have to plan
you have
for
to plan.
ourselves. So speaking of savings or ipon, our last video was about budgeting. So if you haven't watched it yet, here's the link to it, and maybe you have the time to watch it. It's gonna help.
Yeah.
And we discussed there if we really need $1 million to retire.
Yeah.
So it really depends naman talaga sa tao eh.
Lifestyles.
So the lifestyle, I mean, if you need $1 million or not, pero just watch it and you'll see. Pero ang kailangan talaga is a solid plan.
Because that's exactly what will make you or break you.
So check out the video for some practical tips.
At the end of the day, ang pinakamahalaga dyan is to stay informed and flexible. We've always stressed flexibility kasi that's where it's all based on. And retirement planning is just like a journey. It'll keep on changing. Talagang process yan eh. I pointed out before in our previous videos that retirement planning is not a set it and forget it situation.
Yeah, it evolves, it changes.
It changes.
So you have to always check it.
Right.
Or make adjustments.
But with the right mindset and a little planning, you'll be ready for whatever comes to you, right?
So what do you think about the possibility of raising the full retirement age? Are you ready for that?
Does it worry you? Or do you have a plan? For us, of course, there's always that, sense of worry.
Yeah.
Because, these are changes, but you just have to adapt to it. Make changes also on our end.
As long as you have a plan
Yeah.
and you're constantly checking on it.
Just like you have always stressed out, flexibility is the key word there. Let us know about your thoughts and put your comments on the section down below.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with other people who are planning their retirements. Sabay-sabay natin iplano ang ating retirement dream. Okay? See you next time!
See you later. Okay.